sitting in medal positions. Can they bump up?
Done, because Rob has a really good flow around the course.
That cost him a couple of seconds there.
I had a quick chat with Rob about that. Things he thinks that he can take the top spot.
Line it back up for this 75-foot step. So they populate right there. Him and Jackson Strong, a little bit of
Clean run. Every trick he did was smooth. Every trick's when you do it. And like I said, watching Josh's run.
Guys, Josh was actually in disbelief. I can't believe this. He's stoked right now, you guys. That's why
he just kind of took it, but no, great run.
Front flip combos, and speak of the devil, a no-headed lucky to do it right out of the gate. There's the double.
To come out with a front flip, right into a double back.
The overall scope, the overall impression of what you're doing, the tricks, they make it look easy. However,